Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is inner strength. Scorpio, it's time to dig deep. You're made of that good stuff. Dig deep. And if you believe in yourself, show up and show out and show the world that you believe in your gifts, because we do. We love the things that you do. That's why we love being around you, contacting you, complimenting you. But do you believe in yourself to be consistent every single day? Dig deep and show up, show out, and create a new life, a new lane for yourself that others can appreciate and also support you for. You deserve it. Nothing moves me from my path of light because I have complete confidence in myself. I realize my innate qualities, my natural qualities and abilities. I know that and with God, I can do anything. All the power I need is within me. You're in the here, the now. It's time to spring into action. Dig deep. Be who you truly know that you are, because if you feel it, you can see it in your mind. That's who you are, and it's time for you to manifest it. The stage is set for you. Love one another, be kind to one another, and love yourself. I love you.